So this is the Excel spreadsheet, and what you need to know is, as you can see around here, I have different sheets. So you can have two, three, four, five different sheets, like different pages in one sheet. You understand? So you can create any amount of sheets you want. You understand? So let me delete this. Now, first thing you need to know is how to type with Excel. So let's say I have let's say names. You press enter, it goes down. Names. Let's say I type Victor. I type John. Oh, did I type that? Okay, I type John. I type Jonah. Okay. Now these are the names. Okay, let me add more names. Let's say Frank. Let's say Edwin. You understand? Now, if you want to type names like this, you press enter. But let's assume you want to move to this other side. How do you do it? You press the tab button. You understand? So you press enter to go down, you press tab to go side. You understand? So now let's say we want to have something like let's say profit. Let's say we are talking about accounting. Let's say we have profit. Um let's say we have a profit of let's say $20. Okay. Uh then we have a profit of $40. Now, one thing Excel does for us is, let's say we have a very long data, 20, 40, 60, 80, and so on and so forth. One thing Excel does is we don't have to type those things. We can easily just drop down. So once we drop down, it's easily notice the pattern. Okay, let me add more names. Let's say Felix. Felix. Let's say uh let's say Ayo. Let's say Easy. Let's say David. Now let's extend it. Yeah, let's extend it. Now, as you can see, this just makes our work easy. Let's go to loss. So we have loss of 5. We have 10. So you can just highlight both of them and it notice the pattern by itself. You understand? Let me do another. Let's make another table here. We can go to. Okay, let me try to make a very simple one. Let's say I want to have something like SN, that's numbers. You understand? Like a number column. You understand what I mean? It has to come first. I don't have to delete all this guy, and so I can just come here, right click, insert one column left. You understand? So now I can have my S/N. I can have one, two. I don't need to. I can just highlight both of them, then drop down, so it completes it automatically. Now let's make our work in it. You understand? Let's make our work in it. You can easily just highlight all these guys, all of them. You can go to alignment. You see, this is different from the previous one. So that's what these tools are meant for. We can uh, go to fonts, increase the font size. We can change the fonts. We can change the fonts. But let's leave it like this first. You understand? I can select this whole row. I can increase the size of the heading. I can make it bold. I can add margin, but we'll come to that later. Now, what else should we do here? This profit. Okay, this guy, let's make this guy, wait a second, let's increase this guy. Okay, all right, okay, I think this is cool. Okay, now in accounting, when we talk about profit, we talk about loss. What we mean is amount. Profit means amount like $10, $20. Same with this. So we can come here, we can select these guys, go to this place, this general, you can go to currency, you understand, or you can go to accounting. I think there's an accounting section. So you can just play around and see what happens, how it works. You can go to percentage. It depends on what you want to do. Just it's about making your work neat. You can add margin, add margin, start margin. There are a whole lot of things you can do. A whole lot of things you can do. So just play around with the tools, play around with them, see how it works. You can add color. Okay, you can make this add color or go here. Okay, also if you come here, you can zoom. Yeah, this bottom right, you can extend. What else can I just brief you about now? What else? As we proceed, you will see a whole lot of things. You know what all these tools are meant for. You know what they are meant for. But for now, you can just learn how to design, how to, you know, make your work fine, beautiful, attractive. You understand?